Did you know that decluttering your bedroom may help you sleep better? I'm gonna declutter my bedroom for better sleep. I did a bit of research on how cleanliness and clutter can affect your sleep, and I learned some things. One study found that decluttering helped people with insomnia sleep better. And having too many throw pillows on your bed doesn't count. I also learned a lot about how dust can affect sleep, and it's pretty gross. All I have to say is, more on that later. Then I looked at my own bedroom and I found some issues. Please don't judge me. And now to declutter. Do you ever wonder how often you need to wash your sheets? Dust mites love your sheets and pillows. So wash them once a week on the hottest setting your sheets and pillowcases can handle. One major goal is to remove any visible clutter, and we're gonna start with this bookshelf. I do love this bookshelf, but there's a lot going on and it's all right next to my head while I'm sleeping. These lights are horrible. So I put this little guy here instead. All right, let's talk about dust. Research shows that something called dust annoyance is linked to fatigue and sleep disturbances. If you have allergies, things like pet dander, mold, and pollen can affect your sleep as well. You know what time it is? It's cleaning time. Cue the cleaning montage. There's no one in here. I'm dusting under the bed now. Things are getting pretty serious.